Are you trying to learn how to save money in 2023? Well, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Katie, and I'm a millennial trader. I write financial help blogs for a company called Trade Ideas, and I work for millennials and Gen Z specifically on teaching you guys how to take control of your financial future, because I'm one of you. Saving money is more important than ever, given the recession is looming. In this video, I'm going to explain 3 easy tips on how to save money in this year. Number 1, start budgeting. Budgeting is not fun. We know we don't like it, but it's essential to have those little cuts over time to see where our excess money is going. And sometimes it's things you don't even need, like extra Disney Plus subscriptions, different coffee orders every single day. Just saving money where you can. Start slow and be sustainable. Tip number 2 is learning to consolidate your debt. Now, we all have debt. I'm not being naive and thinking we can just poof away saying that we want to get rid of debt. This is not Michael Scott declaring bankruptcy. Instead, just start paying down a little bit more than your minimum payments, because if you just keep paying the minimum payments on your credit card and loans, it will keep building up. Interest rates are skyrocketing this year. Don't be fooled. And tip number 3 is investing. Now, I know it may seem counterintuitive to be investing in a time of this economic climate. Things are uncertain, the stock market is crashing. Why should I invest? It's a great question. Allowing yourself to prepare now, when the market comes back up, you will be set and ready instead of buying the stocks at a higher price, bonds, or any other mutual fund you choose to invest in. So this year, set aside a savings account, a checking account, and a trading account for your excess money to go into, maybe the money you're saving budgeting if you want a double whammy, and allow that money to be directed specifically towards investing. Again, small increments is better. Lower risk investments like gold and other precious metals are a perfect investment for right now, or different stocks you may see on Robinhood. Up to you, but the stock market is not doing its best right now. So stay with the low risk investments. Little bit builds over time, just like our budgeting, and you'll find at the end of 2023, you'll be in a much better financial state than if you didn't invest. Also, the time is never too early to start with those IRAs, 401ks, and other retirement savings account for your future. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like more tips, read my next blog on how to avoid falling into the recession in 2023.